Nigel Farage recently visited Hartlepool. He claimed to know the answers to the town's problems. Immigrants are to blame, he said, but the answer is just not that simple. For Hartlepool is still suffering from the destruction of its manufacturing industry. Secure work that the people of our town could access was taken away from them. This is why our town has the highest percentage of young benefit claimants in the country. So don't believe Mr. Farage when he says that immigrants are to blame for Hartlepool's problems. The answer is just not that simple. You might think that Nigel Farage is different to the other politicians because he talks like he's one of the people, but in the end, he's just a politician and he'll say anything to get your vote.